If you have rice and coconut, then make this easy, delicious snack that is ready in no time. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar. To a bowl, add eggs, vanilla extract, coconut milk. The combination of coconut and rice, match made in heaven, absolutely delicious. Be it in sweet form, savory, or even spicy. Add coconut oil and mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Add brown sugar and also mix together. This snack makes the perfect addition to your lunchbox. Both kids and adults love this. For dry ingredients, we're using baking powder, and rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can also use cooked rice. Of course, if you use cooked rice, the amount of liquid you add will be different. And lastly, we will be adding some plain yogurt. This adds to the creaminess and softness of the snack. Once the batter is ready, set it aside. Now, let's prepare the frying pan by lightly greasing it with some coconut oil. Add a bit of the batter. I'm using 1/4 cup to measure the batter. And allow to cook on medium-low heat for around 2 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Repeat the process until all the batter is finished. I hope you're all having a wonderful summer. Mine has been so lovely spending time with family and friends. Once all the batter is ready, enjoy! My family love these pancakes. This is on repeat mode. You can eat it plain or with any topping of your choice. It has the perfect amount of sweetness from the brown sugar, which also adds a caramel taste. The coconut milk and yogurt gives it this creamy richness and softness. And until next time, remain blessed.